Round 12 of the HostPlus Cup, the Tweed Seagulls up against the Mackay Cutters. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. The Cutters scored the first try of the game through Lisa Montadriki in the 7th minute.
Right.
7 minutes later, and Brent Barnes had the first try in the afternoon for Tweed. Midway through the first half, and Rylan Jacobs crossed for the Seagulls. Then 5 minutes before half-time, Charlie Murray grabbed the Seagulls' third try of the half. At the break, Tweed were in front of Mackay, 16 points to 6. An early try for the Cutters in the second half, Ewan Coots crossing in the 44th minute. Ben Condon scored the third try of the afternoon for the Cutters. Into the 56th minute, and Will Brimson scored this 4-pointer for Tweed. The match-winning try for the Cutters came in the 71st minute when Lisa Montadriki crossed for his second try of the game. In the end, the Cutters hanging on for a thrilling 2-point victory, 24-22 over the Seagulls. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.